everybody, good evening from California. I'm going to respond to all your questions about screen time that I asked yesterday. That shoot me your questions, and I received so many questions. I'm going to reply them right now. Research says that 30 to 60 minutes a day is good enough time. So there is a range, so you decide that how low you should go because TV is not good. That is why I have designed this OT Park box, and so just get the box, do more activities with your kid because all the ideas and materials are provided in the box, and see everything will be manageable. I trust me. I would say depends on the long drive, and yes, until you um, make a rule or set boundaries that the screens are only for the car, not for the home. You are so sweet. Thank you so much. I'm glad that my OT Park box that has books also for infants and toddlers with activities, and your little one who is turning 1 month is enjoying it. Two questions. So first of all, while waiting in the lines, no screen time. Just talk about stories and your favorite characters and what did you read. And while in the flight, ask me to give you a travel box. Part two of the same question. So during the flight, you should not bound to the rules because it depends on every child, and not every child is comfortable with the flight. So just no rules you can give. Thank you so much. Thank you. I'm so glad. Thank you. It is already been set, then it is hard, but it's not impossible. Start introducing book or some storytelling by yourself along with that that screen, and gradually weigh that. Also, they say that you should not be negative or just giving them any conditional things that if you drink milk without the screen then I'm going to give you this. Do not do that. Just start introducing something positive and also give the screen, but lesser time. You can be more appreciative if your child completes milk without screen time, even a half, or even she takes 4 to 5 sips of it. From backwards, that if she takes completes milk in, for example, 4 minutes, last 1 minute just turn off the screen and have her complete the milk and appreciate a lot, then she will love to do that more. What I do is I take 5 to 6 different books in my bag. I take a tote with me with books, and we read in the restaurants because kids need to get distracted, but not screen but books. And this is how you help your child to get more into books, and you can also sometimes carry some activities with you, but all you need to do is just be so much involved with your kid and not adult talks. Thank you so much. Yes, my daughter never watched TV till she turned 3, and now we are giving her screen time Saturday only for 1 hour, and that too it's family screen time. But thanks for noticing. And yes, sometimes we give her kids yoga that has screen time because of the whole quarantine thing, but we have set those boundaries in the screen. So well, did you say infant? My answer is no. A clear cut no. Mm-mm. Be more involved with him, please. So I get this question very much, and I personally am following this because my family also lives in another country. So pictures are okay unless you set a specific boundary. My take on this whole issue is just lessen the screen time as much as possible and increase the activities time as much as possible. Be more involved with your child because they need you. They doesn't need you. They need your full attention, and as much as you can play with them, they just love it, and they will never need any screens, and screens are not nannies. This is a very important question. Yeah, of course, kids till they turn 3 or sometimes 4, they won't focus on somebody's on the FaceTime. So just don't force them. Just let them play and have your family members watch them through the back camera of the FaceTime because it's okay for them. It's hard to understand the recording voice and stuff like that. Don't push. I highly recommend to have your family members understand that they are kids and we cannot enforce anything that say hi, say bye, say I love you and stuff like that. They will do when they grow older. Let them grow. So I hope that you got all the questions answered. I try to answer as many as possible, and feel free to reach out to us, DM us so we can reply. Or now we are on WhatsApp, so you can reach out there.